Hi, good evening. Today we discuss about how to improve the speed of the system and reduce the errors in the registry. In order to do that one, we can use this third-party software called CC Cleaner. Let us see how to install the CC Cleaner software and run that software to clean the junk files and all other to fix the registry files also. First, we need to open a browser. So I'm opening Microsoft Edge. So opening a page. I will log in into Google. In a google.com I am typing like CC Cleaner for Windows 10. You can choose which operating system you are using. So I'm using Windows 10. So I'm choosing Windows 10. So we need to select a CC Cleaner website, and that we can download a setup file from that one software. So here we can see three types of softwares available. One is free software and another one is professional and another one is professional plus for 3 PCs. So if you choose a free software, we don't need to pay any amount for that one. You can use it for a free. So but it is restricted to some of the software applications. It is restricted, like it can faster the computer, you can privacy protection, PC check health are working on that. Other software updater, clean everywhere, guard against junks, automatically clear history, that will not available in the free software. So I was selecting free download on that. So I'm looking for a download. So it is downloading my software. We need to wait for another 2 3 minutes, so we can found the software on my download session. Another 7 seconds are there to download the software, so it will download as soon as possible. Yeah, software is downloaded. I went to the location path, so it is a CC Cleaner software. So I'm running as an administrator. To click it as OK. So the package is unpacking to install on my system. So here we can customize the software, which packages is required or not. I'm installing by default. See, the software has been installed. So I'm running the CC Cleaner right now. So in this you can see the processor and RAMs and details of the computers of that particular system which you install the software. Here if you want to run the software to make a system freely in order to increase the speed and all, so we used to click on custom clean. By default all these things will be selected, so we need to run cleaner and click as continue. So here I put for downloading, so it is asking for closing an application, so I'm not closing it. So it leaves as it is the browser, and you can find lot of the junks files are available on this. So 51 MB is removed, means that much file size it has been removed. So like that, then you can see the cleaning complete, it comes to 5 MB. First it was 58 MB, now it become 5 MB. So the files has been cleared. So if you run one more time, it will be better. So this will remove all the junk files which is present on the system. Next we need to go to registry. Under registry we can scan for any issues with the registry files. So if we click on scanning, it will show what are the files updates, and update files will affect due to registry program. So in this review selected files, do you want to backup the registry before making changes? So I don't want to backup the registry files, so I am clicking on no. But here I am clicking on fix all the selected issue. All the issues has been selected, so I click in all the selected issue has been solved. So once more you can try. You need to try repeatedly until the problem is resolved, like this. So only one registry file having issue. Same thing, click on no and fix issue. So it will clear all the files. And again it will go to tools. If you go to tools, there are a lot of options are there. Uninstall. You can uninstall any third-party software from here. You can install, uninstall, rename, delete, anything you can do. Or software updates also you can do here. You can update a software, or startup programs you can enable or disable. For example, if Skype is automatically open when the system is booting up, you can disable it for not opening while booting the system. Like that we can select the programs, optimize applications according to our requirements. And browser plugins will be available. And disk also you can analyze what are the storage capacity it is found on that. And duplicate files, you can search for duplicate files which is present in the system or not. Or system restore points, if system get crashed, Windows need to backup that restore points also we can enable. If we enable, we can view on this system restore. And drive wipe means we can erase all the contents of the drive, for example C drive or D drive. And other options also available, you can explore more on this. Cookies will be there, include, exclude, like that. Lot of options are there. You can schedule the running time automatically if it is a pro version, so like that you can use it. So it is a good software, you can use it. And after this, once you need to check with the temporary files. You can check over here. See, less temporary files are there because it clears already. See, less compared to other. If you want to delete the files, you can delete, so it will helpful the systems. Like this you can upgrade the PC speed by doing all these things daily. If you done one times or two times, morning evening, it will be better. So thank you for seeing my video, and please subscribe my video and encourage me. Thank you.